Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called dronestock.com. So you can find here various stock footage of videos that is taken by drones. So there are various videos that is available for use for free. You can find cityscapes. If you click on cityscapes, you can find various cityscapes here. If you are looking for something like mountains, you can find mountains. So if you're looking for this, is you can see this Everest, Mount Everest. I think this is available from Shutterstock. So these are available for download. See Koala Mountains. If you go to beaches and oceans, you have this also available. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.